In this video, we show you how to simultaneously apply many 3D studs in various sizes to a base material in one pressing step. Place a mask at the lower part of the mold. This mask fixes the metal pins that we will insert later and makes it easier to handle if the motif design needs to be changed after application. Next, fix the plastic plate in the mold. Later, we will insert the colored metal pins and the 3D studs into this plate. These colored metal pins are used as height compensation for the corresponding 3D studs, which come in 3 sizes. Place the first PVC mask on the lower part of the mold. Insert the first metal pins into the mask's cavities, with the colored part upward. Next, use the plastic pen to press down every single metal pin. Place the next mask for another stud size. Insert the correct metal pins and press them down again using the plastic pen. Repeat these steps until all the metal pins are set. Set all the 3D studs with crystals pointing downwards in the corresponding cavities. Put the middle metal plate back into the mold and place the first mask for the back parts on the middle plate. Depending on the type of motif, place a further mask for the back parts onto the first mask. Next, place the black frame on the masks. Empty the back parts onto the black frame and use a sponge to wipe them into the mask's cavities, with the arrows pointing downwards. Remove the residual back parts, the black frame, and the masks. Switch on the vacuum system, close the cover, and then open it again. The back parts are now inside the cover. Now, remove the middle metal plate and place the fabric carefully in the mold. Close the cover of the mold and place it in hydraulic press. Close the press and apply all the 3D studs in one single application step. Your 3D studs are now perfectly applied.